Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to drill a straight and level hole for whatever reason you need to do one for. In my case, I'm going to be installing an 1 3/8 pipe for a project I'm doing, which I'm really excited about, and I'll have another video coming up on it. But it needs to be level, and in order to do that, the holes need to be drilled level. So the first thing that you want to make sure, that you're square. That's very important. As you see, I am square. And then the next thing you want to do, a level never lies. You want to put your level up wherever your mark's going to be, where you need to drill your hole. Do your mark where your level's been, like so, like I did. And then I did a level even across here. Some people will take a speed square and do it, but I would double check and get it square across there, because this side's very important, which I'll give you a zoom up on it. And in my case, I'm going to be using a paddle bit. Some people be using a regular drill bit, but this method I'm getting ready to show you will work the same. And again, I'm going to zoom in on this spot because I have another cross I measured over, but I'll get in closer. But first I'm going to show you, I'm just going to walk over to my junk table, excuse the mess, and just grab a few things that you're going to be able to use. Okay, we're over at my junk table over here. Let's just see, could use this smaller level, but we won't do that. Washer. Here's an eye bolt, washer, little hurricane strap. And I'm gonna grab a speed square too. But all right, let's get to it. Okay, I got just 4 items: a speed square, a hurricane strap, an eye bolt, and a washer. Idea is, this is a paddle bit. You probably wouldn't want to use your, regular drill bit because it has a cutting edge. Anything with a cutting edge, you want to use metal, and it has to be very smooth. But the concept is when you're drilling, you get this spinning and staying in level, like watch. That's staying pretty much center. That's to be level, but watch when I get off a little bit. See it move? See it move? See it move? You want to get it where it's not moving, like that. And I'm going to show you drilling it, but in fact, I probably will just use this, but I don't really need to necessarily show you the other, because you're going to get the concept on this. But if you're using a cutting edge, you want to use metal, because you don't want it cutting your, plastic speed square. But this is the same concept. See how it's staying still? And watch when I move forward, move back. You just want to get it to where it's not moving, and it should be level. And then I'm going to show you how to get it, straight. But let's go ahead and get to drilling the hole. I'm going to try to do this without my hand get in the middle, but here's my level marks all the way across. Then I centered my post, and I basically did a cross. So we discussed to getting it level this way, getting it level this way. I'm at a side, so I can't do it. I'm just trying to show you video. What you want to do is focus down your center point, and you can look down at the drill and watch your shaft, the shaft of your drill, and make sure it's always lined up, straight up and down. And that's going to get you straight, so you're not like this, not like that. You're going to be centered with the shaft And you can actually use, some drills have a little mark coming down here, but so that's going to get you this way, or not this way, sorry, this way. All right, we're going to go ahead and drill, and I got a mark identical on the other side, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm getting it right in the center of my mark. I'm gonna get it spinning. Keep on the shaft part. Let's see. Oh, look at there, look at there. Check it out. Can it get any closer than that? I just have to show you this one more time. Look at that. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it on through. I'd call that a perfect hole. All right, here's the next hole using the speed square. Can you see it? I noticed getting it started, it bounces around, but once you get it in the hole, just got to get it. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's how I drill a straight and level hole through a post or whatever. You know, it's upright. It needs to be level and straight. If you want to carry it on further down, you know, more post or, you know, railing up above, pipe railing. That's how I do it. And really looking forward to completing this project. If you'd like to see it when it's done, please come back. You know, I'm not asking you to subscribe or anything, but I do appreciate everybody's time, and because that's you know why I do this for. And remember, if I can do it, you can too. Have a good day.